This is a place will be the cod loom facility. This is the slaughterhouse. I'm entering in. We will clean it after we finish the installation of the machines. This is the farm number 1. The other farms is not yet occupied because they are still into construction. Farm number 2, farm number 3. This we are still using this as a warehouse for new equipment. We have these equipments for cod loom facility. The farm how it looks like before it's loaded with the chickens. Farm number 5. Farm number 6. It's not yet done. We are using this also as a storage for the machines. And then this is before we go to this one, this is we'll put a fence here to differentiate the farm and the hatchery. So this is the hatchery itself, and this is the electricity. We change again the transformer because the transformer we had was very small. Now we are getting a new bigger transformer, and this is we are going to make partition into this place so that we can have some looms for different use. This is the hatchery itself. We will have 6 incubators here, and then here this place will be for vaccination of the 1-day-old chicks. This place will be for packaging, and then that will be an exit door. Then this place here, it will be for cleaning the pallets and crates for chickens and eggs. Here we will set up a machine for cleaning those equipments. We are making fences here, and then here it will be an exit door from outside. Remember we have started with the entrance, then this will be an exit door for 1-day-old chicks. The other exit will be for meat, only for meat. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.